Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove background from video footage in CapCut. So here I have opened my CapCut application and I have created a project as well. Then we're going to remove the background of this video. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on the video section right here, or we can also click on edit button over here, and it's the same. And then after we click on edit button or click on the video, we just need to scroll all the way to the right like this until we find Coutout option, and this is the Coutout option, so just tap on it. Then since we want to remove the background, we just need to click on remove background right here and just wait for the process. Then okay, now the background has been removed and we can click on this check mark button. Okay, and let's just take a look at the result. So just play the video. Okay, and this is the result, guys. And just remember that the background has to be clear, so the result will be better. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove background from video footage in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.